Yongchun on a rainy day, rainy evening though. So this is Korean Street, little street, kind of mini night market. There's my kitties on here. All kinds of activities. Oh, the sharak is open. I might go in for a little dinner. Just got out of this thing. Oh, it's good. And it's raining again. It's raining and raining. There's many little streets here like this. What the market looks like. There's a bigger night market on the other side as well, like on the other side of Sunshan Road. This is just the little neighborhood market. Korean Street in Taipei. Check it out. Near the Yongchun station.